Hello and welcome, my dear student. This is teacher Fida. Today we are going to take Unit 7 Iceland, Lesson 5, Vocabulary, page 70. So please open your study sheet too and let's read the meaning in English and in Arabic. Let's start with number 1. Planet, كوكب. Again, planet, كوكب. Number 2. Melting, يذوب. Again, melting, يذوب. Number 3, glacier, river of ice, نهر جليدي. Again, glacier, river of ice, نهر جليدي. Number 4, changing, يتغير. Again, changing, يتغير. Number 5, flood, فيضان. Again, flood, فيضان. Number 6, hurricane, a storm of the most intense severity, إعصار. Again, number 6, hurricane, a storm of the most intense severity, إعصار. Please, my dear student, memorize the meaning in English and in Arabic. I repeat, in English and in Arabic. Now, open your pupil's book at page 70 and listen to the track number 11.
Unit 7, Lesson 5, Activity 1, page 70. Listen and read.
The weather on our planet is changing. There are dangerous hurricanes every year with very strong winds and lots of rain. The ice in the glaciers is melting. There are floods in some countries. There isn't any water in other countries. Why is it changing? One reason is because we're using lots of energy.
Unit 7, Lesson 5, Activity 1, page 70. Listen and read.
The weather on our planet is changing. There are dangerous hurricanes every year with very strong winds and lots of rain. The ice in the glaciers is melting. There are floods in some countries. There isn't any water in other countries. Why is it changing? One reason is because we're using lots of energy.
Hello, this is teacher Laura with you. Now we'll do number 2. Write the words. Number 1 is already done for you. The world is a, of course, planet. Now, number 2. You have to find a word in the paragraph that is verb plus ing. And the definition is, it's hot. The ice is melting. Melting. So write melting on the line. Melting. 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 Number 3. It's a noun. And it's a plural noun. Plural, جمع. Plural noun. And the definition is, or the meaning is, rivers of ice. Rivers of ice. What are they? Try to think and read the paragraph again to find the word. Yes, it is glaciers. Glaciers, glaciers. Now, number 4, it's a word that has an ing at the end of it. It's a verb with an ing. The definition is the leaves are color from green to brown. What is the word? What is the word? The leaves are color from green to brown. Changing, changing, changing. Write it on the line. The next word is a plural noun also. When it rains for many days, there are. When it rains for many days, there are. It's a plural noun. Floods, floods, floods. Write it on the line. Now let's go to the last word, which is also a plural noun. Are extremely windy and rainy storms. Are extremely windy and rainy storms. What are they? Hurricanes, hurricanes, hurricanes. Write hurricanes on the line. Write hurricanes on the line. Now let's move to study sheet 3, unit 8, Kenya. Yes, 5th graders, we're going to move to unit 8. I know that you don't have the study sheet with you. You should have delivered it previously, but because of the vacation, the sudden vacation, you didn't get the paper. So I advise you to have a screenshot from this video in order to follow up and memorize the meanings in the study sheet and follow with the teacher with everything that she is going to give you right now. We'll start with lesson 1, vocabulary. You can find it on pupils book, page number 76. You can go to your pupils book, page 76, to find this lesson. I know that you don't have the study sheet with you, but though you should try to memorize the words to memorize the meaning of the words in English and in Arabic in order to be ready when we come back to school safely, God's willing. Yalla Miss Fida, she will start reading the words and the meanings for you.
Number 1, concert. An event where many people sing. Hafla. Again, concert. An event where many people sing. Hafla. Number 2, neatly. Clean in appearance or habits. بعناية, بترتيب. Again, neatly. Clean in appearance and habit. بعناية, بترتيب. Number 3, quietly, بهدوء. Number 3, quietly, بهدوء. Number 4, patiently, بصبر. Number 4, patiently, بصبر. Number 5, carefully, بحذر. Number 5, carefully, بحذر. Number 6, loudly, بصوت عالي. Number 6, loudly, بصوت عالي. Number 7, clearly, بوضوح. Number 7, clearly, بوضوح. Number 8, clapping, making a noise with your hands to show you like something. يصفق. Number 8, clapping, making a noise with your hands to show you like something. يصفق. Now, open your pupil's book at page 76 and listen to the paragraph that has the new vocabulary.
Unit 8, Lesson 1, Activity 1, page 76. Listen and read. What is the teacher's note describing?
Grade 5 concert on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Notes for students. Dress neatly. Wear a clean uniform. Brush your hair, please. Don't be late. Sit quietly while you are waiting. Don't talk or make a noise. Wait patiently. We'll start when the parents are ready. Listen carefully to your teacher. She'll tell you when to stand up. Sing loudly and clearly. We want to hear all the words. Leave slowly and quietly while the parents are clapping. Thanks.
Now move to exercise number 2, find and write. You have the meanings or the definitions and you have to find the word for each meaning or definition from the paragraph. The first one is already done for you. It's an adverb. You dress for school in this way. Neatly. Neatly. The second word also is an adverb. You shout in this way. You shout in this way. You shout in this way. The word is loudly. The word is loudly. Loudly. The word is loudly. Loudly. The word is loudly. Here is the word loudly. Loudly. Now, let's move to the third word or verb. It's a verb with an ing. Making a noise with your hands to show you like something. Making a noise with your hands to show you like something. The word is clapping. The word is clapping. Write it on the line beside the definition. Number 4, it's an adverb. When you are sleeping and you are not making noise, you are sleeping. When you are sleeping and you are not making noise, you are sleeping. When you are sleeping and you are not making noise, you are sleeping. Think of it. It's quietly. 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 Write it on the line. Now, number 5. You ride your bike on the road in this way. You ride your bike on the road in this way. You ride your bike on the road in this way. Think of the word. What is it? It's carefully. It's carefully. Carefully. Write it on the line. Now, number 6. The word is a noun. This is an event where many people sing. This is an event where many people sing. This is an event where many people sing. The word is, of course, concert. You can find it on the first line. Concert. Concert. Now, move to number 7. It's an adverb. It's easy to learn English when your teacher says English words in this way. It's easy to learn English when your teacher says English words in this way. It's easy to learn English when your teacher says English words in this way. Clearly. 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 Write it on the line. Now the last word is an adverb. You aren't angry when you wait for a long time in this way. You aren't angry when you wait for a long time in this way. You aren't angry when you wait for a long time in this way. The word is patiently. 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 Write it on the line. Write it on the line.